My name is Valerie, and this is my competition project. There's a bunch of trees. There's an alien area back here with an actual alien on top. Yeah, and then there's a little tree house that you can live in. It even has a kitchen and all that stuff. There's an extra tree house on top. I don't know how that got there, but that's fine. Here's the kitchen. It has a vending machine and a couple of other food that you can actually use. Then if you go upstairs, you can find a room. There's a TV, there's a couch, there's a dog sitting on a bed. There's some lights because the lights look cool. And that's pretty much it for the quick things. So let's play this. Don't mind the fact that it's taking a little bit of time to load and stuff. Okay, so now that my character's here, you can see stuff. So here's the dog on the bed. You can sleep there. Your character can stay there. Then there's, the couch and the TV that I showed you earlier. You can actually sit on the couch, which is nice. You cannot play any games though, sadly. Now let's go to the kitchen. Yeah, I cannot select any of the apples or any of the food except for the vending machine. Yay! I'm gonna take a Bloxy Cola. I'm falling through the actual vending machine, which sucks, but that's fine. Okay, that was kind of glitchy, but let's jump off because I don't want to take the stairs. There's this disco place. It doesn't really do anything. It's kind of just here for fun. I can dance here though with my emotes. Let's go find the emotes. And I can dance here. Yeah. Then we will go to the alien area because that's probably the most interesting thing that I have here. You have to go through the giant forest, which I made because if aliens were real, I don't think they would be out in the open. Yeah. Then there are these little truss, so you can actually get up to the top. This green stuff is just a block, so it's not like you can go through it or anything badly. I would love to be captured by aliens. I would make it a lot cooler, but I can't. So we're gonna climb up this little hole, go all the way up until we're here. Yeah. The alien's down here. Hello, Mr. Alien. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it for my presentation, competition project. Thanks for listening and watching. Bye.